Hello everyone and welcome to BISP Trainings. Myself Rohit Arya, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to create a purchase request and how to approve a purchase request on Oracle NetSuite. So let's begin. We are going to go on our Oracle NetSuite homepage, and here we are going to go on the transactions tab and hover to the purchases and then enter requisitions. So this is our requisition page. Here first of all we are going to change the custom form to standard requisitions. You can use a custom form as per the needs of your company as well. You can create a customized form also. You can see as we have selected the standard requisition, some details have automatically populated up like the request number, the requester name, the date. Here we are going to fill the necessary details. First of all, you can see the subsidiary. That is important. You have to choose the correct subsidiary for making a purchase requisition. For this, we will be taking the United Kingdom subsidiary. As we have taken the United Kingdom subsidiary, you can see the currency has already changed to the currency as per the respective subsidiary which we have taken. After this, you can mention certain other details such as receive by, the date when you are willing to receive the items, the class, location, department, and if are there certain other further information you are need to give like import declaration number, open air expense creator, import permit number, and etc. Under the currency, you can see the approval status is showing pending approval. If you are not having the administration authority, the pending approval cannot be changed. So we will be keeping it like this and we will hover to the next approver who will be approving the purchase request which we will be creating now. So now from the list on the drop down, we are going to select the employee who is going to further approve the purchase requisition. Now we have given the name of the approver as well. Hovering down, in the items tab, we will be going to the items and mentioning the item for which the requisition is being made. For this, we are taking an example of an item here. You can see as the item is chosen, the rates and the quantity is automatically populated up. This is because while creating the item, these informations were predeterminedly fed in the items tab. So now you can see we can change the quantity here as well. And as we change the quantity, you can see the amount will automatically change. Now we will be clicking on the add button. As soon as you add the item, you can see above the estimated total, and the total has also been changed and it is equal to the total which we have taken under our items tab. So now we are going to change it as per our details which is needed to us. We are going to save it and proceed further now. So now I will be clicking save. Okay, so now you can see that we have already submitted this form. Now the next step is to approve it. You can see the pending approval is showing up along the requisition name. This is because the pending approval status was not changed since we were not having the administrator rights, as we have made it in terms from a employee's point of view. So now we will be approving the same. We will be going to the transactions, purchases, purchase, enter requisitions, and the list. Here you can see this is the requisition which we have recently made, and the status is still pending approval. So now we are going to approve the same. We will be clicking on the edit tab. And now the pending approval status can be changed from here to approved. And now we are going to save the requisition. So now the status has been changed from pending approval to pending order since we have approved this requisition. Now just let's take a quick review of what all we have done in this video. To create a purchase request, we went to the transactions and then the purchases, and we went to enter requisitions, and we entered the desired information which was needed in the respective fields, and then we entered the detail of the items and we saved it. For approving the same, we went to the transactions, purchases, enter requisition and list, and we clicked the edit button which was next to the requisition, and we changed the approval status from pending approval to approved, and then we saved it. That's all for today's video. Thank you.